As COVID-19 cases are spiraling in the country, several state governments fear that Kumbh Mela returnees might turn into super spreaders. In an attempt to prevent further spread of the disease, several states including Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka have made RT-PCR test and home quarantine compulsory for those returning from Kumbh. In Delhi, the government has asked the Kumbh Mela returnees to upload their essential details on their official website within 24 hours of the issue of the guidelines.
All the Kumbh Mela returnees in Delhi are required to compulsory home quarantine themselves for 14 days on arrival to the city. If it is found that any returnee has withheld the information from the government after visiting Kumbh, the person shall be sent to institutional government quarantine center for 14 days.
The government has also asked the returnees to inform the district collector about their arrival.
District administration should collect information about those returning to the state after taking part in the Kumbh and ensure that they self-isolate or quarantine themselves.
In Gujarat, Chief Minister Vijay Rupani has directed the district collectors to do a security check on those who are returning from the event.
आज ही हमने आदेश जारी किया है कि कुंभ में से जो गुजरात के लोग गए वापस आएंगे उन सभी को पूरा टेस्ट होगा, स्क्रीनिंग होगा और उसमें से जो लोग नेगेटिव निकलेंगे उसको जाने देंगे, जो पॉजिटिव निकलेंगे उसको अलग करते हुए उनके ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे.
Maharashtra government has ordered all the pilgrims to undergo self-quarantine for at least 10 days. Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar said returnees from the religious festival will distribute Corona as prasad in their states.
अभी पता नहीं है कौन गए हैं, कौन आ रहे हैं, कुछ भी पता नहीं है. लेकिन यही जैसा लास्ट दिल्ली में जो कार्यक्रम हुआ अपना मुस्लिम बांधवों का 27 लोग आने के बाद जो बढ़ गया, वैसे भी आज भी हर राज्य में ये लोग प्रसाद जैसा कोरोना बांटेंगे और बहुत ही हर राज्य इफेक्ट होगा. इसीलिए पंतप्रधान सम्मानीय मोदी सर ने जो ट्वीट किया है वो सही किया है.
Even in Karnataka, Health Minister Dr. K. Sudhakar has asked the Kumbh Mela returnees to get themselves tested. Around 1,701 people have been tested positive for COVID-19 in the past 5 days in the Kumbh Mela area in Haridwar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had urged the religious congregation to have symbolic participation in Kumbh Mela due to the COVID-19 crisis. After Prime Minister Modi's appeal, one of the largest akhadas, Juna Akhada, exited from Kumbh Mela. The ongoing Kumbh Mela was attended by 35 lakh pilgrims who gathered around the river Ganga to take a holy dip. This event has been at the center of the controversy as it was held amid the surge in coronavirus cases.